Yo, what's up, beautiful potatoes? Welcome to all of you, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. And a special hello to all my Thailand viewers, Thailand subscribers, and all my well-wishers. Thank you so much for supporting. And yes, I'm back with another Masked Singer 3 performance, and this is the second round in the champ versus champ, if I'm not wrong. So in this episode, hold on. Right now, the stats are, the results are in front of me, so I'm gonna read that for you. I mean, most of you guys have already known that, but for the other folks who don't, who are not from Thai, so probably who are not from Thai and still watching this video, these results are for those guys. And yeah, in the stage, apple mask, green tea, warm, and slower low-risk mask. And apple mask has been eliminated, and the identity is Pramote Pathan, singer. So green tea warm and slow loris have been advanced to champ versus champ, and that would be in the next episode, and it would be a clash between those two performers. So but in this episode, we're going to be checking out apple, green tea, and the slow loris mask performances, and I mean whatever the videos that I'm uploading this week. So we're going to be checking out those performances. And yep, before getting into this video, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button, guys. And without any further ado, let's get into this video and let's see what apple mask has got this time. Not apple mask, I'm my bad. Green tea mask, yeah. Full of energy, huh? I think green tea has some Red Bull today. Look at that. Probably, what do you call the ice? It's not called the smoke, guys. It's liquid ice or solid ice, something like that. That smoke. Yeah, it's been generated by carbon dioxide. Oh my god. I don't understand a single word, man. I think he's singing a Thai song. Yes, you got it right. I need to pause at least once, man. What is this song, man? Is this a private album or from a movie? I don't think Thai movies are like Bollywood movies. They don't have like songs and dances in the movies. I don't think so. Only Indian movies has the songs are in the movies itself, or the dance numbers, item numbers. Yeah, I told you. Look at that eyes. 3 female judges in this episode, huh? Where are the other 2? I don't see them. Yeah. Oh, he's having a different, what do you call that, bun? Hair bun. He drank some Red Bull, I guess. That's for sure. Yeah, look at that energy. Yeah, we're gonna be checking out that performance next. Apple Mask, yep. Unfortunately, he got eliminated, man. He or she, that Apple Mask, sorry. I don't remember. Hold on. Oh, rap, man. Tired of you. I told you. He drank some Red Bull, man. He's got a lot of energy, man. From the beginning itself. Let's see other performances too, but as of now, this guy is great. Some great energy, Whoa. This time, I think they have changed the appearance of the stage. Yeah, look at that. A lot of lighting, the smoke gases. They have redesigned the stage and the studio. Yeah. Look at that ice. My heart melts like ice whenever I see. Yes, a big thumbs up. You guys also give me a big thumbs up for this video. Wonderful. He's got a lot of energy, man. Seriously, from the beginning itself, like I said, even though I did not start watching his at the beginning, I was just expecting this. Just listening to that the music at the beginning. The energy was great, and then he was maintaining that energy until until he finished the song. It was really great. Let's see the other performances, and I hope you guys had a very good time watching this reaction video. If you really enjoyed, don't forget to smash that like button and make sure to check out my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all the links in the description below. And I'll see you in the next video. And keep frying the potatoes. Peace out, guys.